Can the Mavic Mini keep up with some of the bigger drones from DJI? In this video I will show you some video and photo samples directly out of the camera so you can judge for yourself. But before we get to that, let's roll that intro. Welcome to another video. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to learn how to make better videos with your drone and your camera in general, then consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss out on my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. The footage that I'm about to show you is shot early in the morning during the golden hour, a little bit later, and also when the sun was almost set, or it was set, in the evening. So that will give you a good impression of the low light capabilities of the Mavic Mini. I have included some photos as well, but as you know, the Mavic Mini is not capable of shooting RAW, so there are certain limitations to what you can do with images out of this drone. Are you considering getting the Mavic Mini? If you are, then simply write yes in the comment below. So how about that? What did you think about that? I'm a bit surprised about the quality of the image that you can get out of the Mavic Mini. It's of course not on par with the more expensive drones from DJI, but it's doing a pretty good job. And the only things that I ran into during my test flight was that the gimbal was knocked out of position while trying out sport mode in a more flying it a little bit aggressive. And also I had a few connectivity issues, but being a previous owner of the Mavic Air, this was not new to me, so I knew how to handle that situation. Now we're talking Mavic Air. Did you see the mini review that I made about the pros and cons of the Mavic Air? In case you missed that, you can access this through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back on the next one.